Hello everyone, I'm Rachel. Welcome to my DIY and soap making channel. I hope you're having a lovely cozy day. Since it's winter time, I especially love to drink tea, and I have a whole cupboard dedicated to teas. I drink a lot of it. And some of my favorites are Bengal Spice, Lemongrass Green Tea, Chai, Citrus. Oh man, so many. Oh, dandelion root. Can't forget that. That is absolutely one of my favorites with a little bit of honey and cream. Try it if you've never tried that one. Oh my goodness. Anyways, so today we're going to be doing a little bit of multitasking, which I've been known to do. We're going to make some chai tea soap and lemongrass green tea soap. And I'm also going to show you how to make iced tea, which we're going to need for our lye solutions, and how to do 2 different batches of soap at once. How you can set up all of your ingredients and label everything so you don't accidentally get it confused. And that way you can do 2 soaps back to back, which is nice and helps save some time. So first I'm going to show you how to make the iced tea. So that's how to make the iced tea. I like it because the cane sugar in it helps boost the lather, but you do need to soap at a lower temperature to keep it from cracking because of that. But using ice cubes when you make soap helps cut down on fumes and gets the lye solution to temperature faster, and it keeps it from burning it, especially if you're working with like milks and sugars and coffees, other ingredients like that, where that extra high temperature when you're making a lye solution could kind of give it some discoloration and some smell that you don't want. So working with cubes like this works great. And then if you have any extra iced tea cubes, pop them back in the freezer, and later when you drink the rest of your iced tea that was left over that you didn't need, you can just pop some cubes in there and it makes it nice and cool for a refreshing summer day. So let me show you how I set up all my supplies for when I'm doing 2 different soaps. Everything is all prepped and ready for both of these. I am so excited. Please stick around and watch the rest of this, and they smell amazing. You're going to want to try these at home. Let's make some soap.
I know we're so close. Didn't take much time at all for this to grow. Second thoughts, and my tongue ties could almost touch the sky. You're the reason why I'm feeling more than fine. Too long we waited. We could never just admit that we could be the perfect fit. So no more debating. You can't deny what is true. It's better when your point of view is so much more than okay. I feel the sun shining on my face. I'm in the game today, and you're the reason why I'm feeling so alright. Well, I could almost touch the sky, and you're the reason why I'm feeling more than fine. Well, it's like I'm locked inside a dream, and I could lay here close to you forever, with you always next to me. Well, I'm saying so long to blues. Okay, I feel the sun shining on my face. I'm in the game today, and you're the reason why I'm feeling so alright. Well, I could almost touch the sky. You're the reason why I'm feeling more than okay. I feel the sun shining on my face. I'm in the game today, and you're the reason why I'm feeling so alright. Well, I could almost touch the sky. You're the reason why I'm feeling more than fine.
So that is it for both of these soaps. Really not too bad for doing two at once. And while I was letting the second one cool down a little bit, I went and washed the dishes from the first one, so that wasn't bad at all. Like, really didn't lose any time here. It's nice to try to do a couple of them back to back when you have a chance. Now, because of the sugar, I'm not going to add any extra heat or insulate these because I don't want them to overheat and crack, but I am going to spray them with isopropyl alcohol and cover them to the best of my ability just to help cut down on soda ash. And then we'll come back in a couple days to unmold and cut these and see how they turned out. I'm pretty excited about them. And the cool thing about both of these recipes, I will leave them down in the description box below if you want to see all the extra details, but both of these are vegan and palm-free and completely all-natural with essential oils. The only exception to that is I had bought a green tea fragrance oil a couple months ago, and I wanted to use that up today, but if you don't want to use a fragrance oil in this, I recently discovered from some experimenting that Palmarosa essential oil smells a lot like green tea. Like, close enough if you told somebody it was green tea, they'd probably believe you. So doing a mix of Palmarosa with some lemongrass would be a beautiful blend. So go ahead and try that if you're wanting to stick with all natural and essential oils. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. All right, I'll see you in a couple days. Okay, side-by-side comparison. My chai tea smells a little more like ginger, and this chai tea smells a little bit more like cardamom, I think, which I couldn't use a lot of that oil, and it's more expensive anyways. So you do your own blend if it's for personal use, whatever you like. And then I would recommend putting some anise in there. I realized after looking at this again, I totally spaced out and forgot to put some anise. I even had some, so yeah, I think that would have helped round it out a little bit. And that kind of smells like fennel a little bit, kind of like a sweet licorice almost. I think that would have been a nice addition to this one. And I'm loving how the lemongrass green tea turned out as well. I was doing kind of an experiment with that swirl, and every single one turned out like totally different from each other. So that was kind of fun. That is it for today's soap making adventure. I hope you're enjoying these. Have no fear, I have lots of other soap making videos, so you can go check some of those out next.